This is a 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes power windows, a dual-zone climate control system, satellite radio, side impact airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 39,000 miles. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This SUV won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.